very much. The motivation for the Dr. Peter Odili Cancer and Cardiovascular Diagnostic and Treatment Center, or the Peter Odili Specialist Hospital, POSH as we like to call it, is open, and patients are being seen on an outpatient basis at the moment. The motivation to ensure that it was open for the benefit of the people of Rivers State is drawn from His Excellency Governor Fubara's determination that projects that are completed, projects that are designed and executed to deliver social development and welfare services must be open for the benefit of the people. There have been technical and operational challenges over the past couple of years that limited its being open and being used by people of the state. But we're happy to say that we're at the point now where that facility is open, where patients are being seen on an outpatient basis currently. I was there myself yesterday and interacted with a few of the patients, interacted with the management and the staff. And the beautiful thing about that hospital, which comes of course from its initial design and execution, and which is being perfected now under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Fubara, is that that center becomes a hub, not just a hub for the South-South region, not just a hub for the Niger Delta region, but a hub for the country, a hub for advanced services, advanced clinical services in cancer care, oncology, cardiovascular diseases, and even in nephrology, renal disease. Several equipment are going to be delivered over coming weeks, which will further strengthen the care of that facility, especially critical cancer care equipment that were not in the original design and delivery of the hospital 3 years ago. We are excited that this hospital is also opening just a few weeks before we celebrate World Cancer Day. And it will stand as a shining beacon for the prevention, the treatment and rehabilitation of individuals who are going through cancer, individuals who are going through cardiovascular disease, renal disease, and generally non-communicable diseases. It's also positioned to be a facility that will help in building the capacity of our health workforce in the state. The Rivers State University Teaching Hospital will be in very close collaboration with the center to ensure that both medical practitioners, undergraduate and postgraduate training will be strengthened by the facility, strengthened by the personnel there, and there's a very intentional focus on both national and international collaborations with skilled personnel in these various areas of specialty, so that we are ensuring that the best possible quality of advanced level specialist care is provided in that facility. Additionally, with regards to oversight, accountability, and the governance of the facility, the ministry will be providing hands-on ministerial oversight into the functioning of the hospital, working closely with the management, the clinical teams, to ensure that we're all aligned and moving in one direction, in the direction of His Excellency's vision for healthcare in Rivers State, which is the Health for All Rivers strategy.
Thank you very much.